Hey Lawn Care Nation, in this video we're going to do a quick unboxing and first look at these guys, the ISO Tunes Xtra Professional Noise Isolating Bluetooth Earbuds. Coming up. So hey Lawn Care Nation, as most of you guys know, I've been using the ISO Tunes Pro models for the last 2 years of my lawn care business, and I absolutely love those earbuds. They work fantastically, the battery life is great, and that over-the-ear wire design that holds them in place is fantastic when you're out in really active environments like we are here mowing lawns or doing landscaping. So ISO Tunes has since released a new style of noise isolating earbud to their lineup, which includes the original ISO Tunes and then the ISO Tunes Pros, and now these ISO Tunes Xtras. So let's go over some of the specs of this particular model. So these ISO Tunes Xtras, they meet OSHA and NIOSH requirements and can be used as a hearing protector in the workplace, and they have a 27 decibel noise reduction rating. They feature a new 8-hour rechargeable battery on this particular model versus the 4-hour battery on the original ISO Tunes. And these feature isolation for you, so they have a isolation system much similar to using over-the-ear ear muffs, where basically it's using a memory foam insert to cover or block your ear canal to prevent that unwanted excess noise from entering into your ear canal. But it features no active noise cancellation when you're on phone calls. So basically the mic blocks a steady state of noise for clear calls in loud environments. So basically what this is going to do is it's going to make the person that you're on the call with able to hear you better, as the microphone not only picks up your voice, it also picks up that noise in your environment, and it cancels out that noise so that the caller only hears your voice. So absolutely fantastic. These are also certified with an IP45 rating for superior dust and water resistance, and they feature Bluetooth 4.1 for wireless calls and entertainment up to 30 feet away from your device. And it also features SafeMax technology, which delivers rich tenor and deep bass while limiting the volume output to 85 dBs. So the number one job of these, of course, is to protect your hearing from any hearing loss, and of course that makes sense with that limited volume of 85 decibels when you're listening to music or podcasts or whatever it is that you're listening to. You have to remember that for these to be certified with OSHA and NIOSH to be hearing protection that can be certified to be used in a workplace, it has to meet all of those standards. So just keep that in mind. These aren't going to be quite as loud as your standard set of earbud headphones that aren't marketed as hearing protection. So let's open up the box and see what comes inside. Okay, so inside it has a little flap here you can open up. It gives you a little quick peek at the inside of the headphones, what they look like. You can see those memory foam tips, and just a bit of information here on the sides talking about how to install the tips and what comes inside the box. So let's pop it open. So inside we have the earbuds themselves. It looks like there's a package underneath with different sizes and types of ear tips. So let's have a look at those. So inside the package, you've got installed already a set of the memory foam tips on the units themselves, and then they include 2 different sizes extra that you can use if you prefer those, as well as the full 3 sets in a rubber version. Also included in the box is a little drawstring type bag. That has a mini USB charge cable, an instruction book, the bag, and of course then the headphones themselves. So with the headphones themselves, it has this sort of round the neck sort of wire design to keep them on your neck steady, much like or similar to the LG G-Tones that you see a lot of landscapers wearing. On both sides of that, looks like probably the battery packs with the charge port here on one side under this little door right there. A little bit further down, you have the volume controls and the power button. And then further down the line, of course, you have the earbuds themselves, along with this really nice flat type of wire. Now on the ends of the earbuds, it features the same sort of magnet that the original ISO Tunes had. That basically, when you have this around your neck, keeps them in place so they're not sliding back and forth or falling off. These magnets also work to pause and play whatever you're listening to automatically. So when you pull them apart, if you're playing a podcast or music and these are in your ears, they play the music. If you take them out of your ears and put the magnets together around your neck, it automatically pauses the music. So let's try them on and see how they fit and how they look. So just put them over my neck and they just kind of sit in place there. Pull the magnets apart. If you want to put them in your ear, with the memory foam ones, you just give them a quick little squish there. Put it in your ear canal and it'll start to expand to block off your ear canal to isolate any unwanted noise. Same with the other side. Put them in there. And instantly I can start to hear the surrounding volume of the ambient noise in the room start to decrease as they fill into my ear canal. You can see that the controls are right there, easy to get to. Power button, the volume up, volume down type button. And that round the neck wire just keeps them in place. If you're moving your head about. So that's a really nice feature, and it keeps and prevents them from getting caught on your collar or anything like that. Pull them out and snap them together. Really simple. So there you go, Lawn Care Nation. There is your unboxing and first look at the new ISO Tunes Xtra noise isolating Bluetooth earbuds. So I will be using these in my lawn care business over the next weeks and months and testing them out. And I'll do a follow-up review video in the future to give my final thoughts and overall conclusions on how well these work in a lawn care or landscaping business. So be on the lookout for that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you're notified right away when videos like this are uploaded. So that's it for this one, guys. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below and let me know, do you use ISO Tune products in your lawn care or landscaping business? And what do you think of them? How well have they performed for you? If you like this type of unboxing and first look type video, I'll leave another one for you to watch up here in this corner, or I'll leave another one of my other videos for you to watch up here in this corner. So that's it for this one, guys. Here's to wishing you guys all overwhelming success and freedom in your lawn care business. Bye for now.